How to text people and send messages on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I'll show you the way on how you can send a message and text to people on TikTok app. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now I'll show you what the issue is, and if I just go ahead and open up my TikTok application on my phone. Once I open the TikTok app, I'll just select a random profile, and let's say I want to message this person. You can see I just don't have the option to message them. So how do we message them? And even if we try to message them, the message is not going to be sent basically. The reason this happens is because there are two most likely reasons you're not being able to message in TikTok. One is that you are not friends with them. The other is that your TikTok account is under 16 years of age. So TikTok requires you to be above 16 years age or older in order to be able to message on the TikTok application. The other is that you have to be friends. And how friends work on TikTok is that it is not about adding and sending friend requests. It's about following each other. For example, if you follow me and I don't follow you back in return, it means that we're not friends. Or in another occasion, if I follow you and you don't follow me back, it means that we have only one following and we're simply not friends. TikTok friends work if you both have followed each other, which means that you follow me, I follow you. It means that we're friends on TikTok, and now we can send a message. For example, if I go to my inbox section at the bottom of the screen, and you can see multiple bunch of people over here. Now as you can see, if I just go ahead and select a profile over here, I have basically followed this profile, and this person has also followed me back. That's why I'm being able to see the message button. But if you haven't followed somebody, you will not be able to do so. For example, I also just go ahead and show you a particular message over here. As we tap on the message and tap on the send button, you can see it says sent. The other reason, however, could be because you have a TikTok account that is under 16 years of age. Now it is not easy to change your birthday and update your date of birth on TikTok. In order to do that, you have to contact the TikTok support team directly. In case, what I would actually recommend you do is, if that TikTok account is no longer necessary to you, you could just try to create a new account with an updated age when you first sign up. But if you're under 16 years of age, you will not be able to do so. To do that, tap on the three lines on the top right corner, go to settings and privacy, go to the option called report a problem, and report a problem to TikTok claiming that you want to change the date of birth. You are ready for any type of necessary verifications that you really want to. TikTok will ask you to verify with your original document and so on. This is how you can text people and send messages on the TikTok app, as I showed you two things and two limitations as to why you're not being able to do so. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, then simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.